Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking FX. Let's talk Mexican peso and the strong run. 53.10 on the Mexican peso, up a little bit more than a percent, almost 1.25%. It's now up 5 of the last 6 weeks. I mean, this is the middle of the week, but with today's pretty strong day, it's unlikely that it's going to reverse unless there's some very negative trade news, and 4 consecutive sessions. So a very strong run for the Mexican peso. The economic activity in Mexico has been looking up. Mexico's economic activity index came in stronger than expected, only slightly stronger, expected up 2.2, came up 2.23, so only a little bit stronger than expected, but certainly nothing bad when you've got a little bit of strength in the data combined with the possible progress that we've seen in trade talks, with NAFTA talks starting up again. And that was really one of the driving factors pushing the dollar down, pushing the peso higher, was the resumption of NAFTA talks, which took place today. Canada and Mexico announced they were committed to a trilateral deal, which was not taken as aggressive conversation or negative conversation on the subject of NAFTA. It was taken positively by the markets, again pushing the peso much higher. Canadian dollar was up as well. Both of those two, the best performers of the major currencies, not necessarily the core currencies, but the major ones, both up over 1%. And the Mexican peso was the winner on the day. So a lot of that, again, having to do with the resumption of NAFTA talks. And then you saw the positive comments between President Trump and Jean-Claude Juncker in terms of getting a deal done, at least announcing they have a verbal agreement with the US and EU, again prompting optimism that NAFTA could get done as well. President Trump earlier had talked about doing individual deals with the countries, but since it hit a stall, the Mexican peso certainly cannot be considered an uptrend with that huge gap down that we saw in March. But this little bit of a strong one that we've seen lately, definitely a positive thing for peso futures. This is Bob Iaccino talking FX markets and the Mexican peso future from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.